3,000 million years ago. The Earth, approximately 5,000 million years ago. It took 3,500 million years, 15 million centuries, for this single cell to form. The cell from which we all developed. Superb specimens though we are, we nonetheless retain many vestiges of our rapid development. For example, the liquid in which our cells bathe is almost identical to the seawater from which we originally come. Our fingers used to be fish fins. Our coccyx is what remains of our monkey's tail. And take the brain with its 3 layers. The first layer we inherited from the reptiles. The second, the paleocortex, from the mammals. And the third, the neocortex, the most important, developed very rapidly. It only took 500,000 years to form. But of course you already know all about that. So if you'd like to, we'll move backwards. Hey, where are you going? Stop at once. I said backwards. A little faster, please. Good. All right, we'll start again. Here it is then, the primal soup, the source of all life.
Hello, I'm Enzyme. I'm the cells engineer. I'll put one here. Another here. There we are. Oh, hang on.
These genes are going to become chromosomes.
Oh! Oh dear, that's not very strong. Oh, I've an idea. Let's see how this'll work. Ooh. that clever? Oh, hey, hey! No, no, hold on, everybody!
Will it hold or won't it? Yes, it will. Won't it?
Mm-hmm.
The genes have become chromosomes. They will become the nucleus of the cell. Mitochondria, which are probably ancient bacteria, are surrounded by the cell which is forming. A cell is born, but it has to multiply if life is to develop. Every living thing is composed of cells, and the human body has 60,000 million of them. The skin, the bones, the nerves and the muscles, the heart and the brain are all composed of cells, each one an independent living organism which breathes, produces energy, feeds itself, and reproduces itself. Its size, 1/100th of a millimeter. For a cell to be visible to the naked eye, the human body would have to be 500 meters tall. And even then, it would be only the size of a pinhead. This is tissue, formed of cells.
Who'd like some salt? Does anyone need salt?
Minerals, get your minerals here.
Glucosides over here. Come and get your glucosides.
Would you like some fat? Fat over here, lovely fat.
Bye. Come on, I'll take you to the cells. Hello there.
No, no, you get away from here. We don't want any dust.
Our cell is tired. He's right. We're exhausted. We simply can't carry on.
We need sugar immediately. And some fat, some proteins, and I think some water.
Well, you heard what he said, didn't you?
Did you learn absolutely nothing at traffic school?
But can't you see that I obviously had the right of way?
Didn't you pay proper attention to everything we were taught?
All right, move along there.
They've got no respect for us
Who
workers.
do they think they are, these people?
Ah, here come our friends. Anything to report, Lieutenant? Nothing, sir. Keep well, Captain. Goodbye.
Look, here come the red blood corpuscles to bring us some oxygen.
Good, we need some. They prefer doing that to carrying away the carbon dioxide. Next. Come on.
Emo, wait, I've an idea. Shh.
What are they up to?
Look, Emo, why don't you and I go inside there and see how a cell is made?
But how, Globin?
There's no window and we're too big to get in there.
Ah, but we red globules are cells as well, you know.
What? We're cells? Really?
Yes, of course. Only we've lost our nucleus, so we can't reproduce our cells like the others.
Here comes another load of carbon dioxide.
Oh! Ah! Ah!
I hate this carbon dioxide. I really can't stand it.
We are now in the membrane that protects our cell, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can probably see, it is composed mainly of proteins, fat, and sugar.
There you are.
What exactly is happening around here, then?
The ribosomes, which are our protein assembly lines, we have thousands and thousands of those.
Wow!
The mitochondria, our energy-producing centers. They produce it by burning up all the food that is brought here. And what is more, all our respiration comes from here, too. The centriole, the command post that controls the unity or the division of the cell. This ribbon is the RNA messenger. You see, it carries all the orders from the control center to the assembly line. And the control center, it just so happens, is right there. Look at our wonderful storage depots. You know, we produce enough for export as well. Our destination at last, one of our lysosomes. This is where you will be transformed. A new life awaits you.
Oh, isn't it lovely? Aren't they sweet?
Yes, very sweet.
Soon you'll be just like them.
Mind, you idiot! What are you doing out of the way?
Looks like a traffic jam. What's happening now with the delivery service? Will someone please tell me?
There's nothing more we can do, Chief. We've tried everything, believe me. Why don't you speed things up at the exits? You can see they all jammed.
The assembly lines are saturated, Chief. They've asked us to slow down deliveries. What? Things can't carry on like this. Send all the surplus to the Fats immediately. Come on, get rid of it. And will someone please connect me to the maestro as soon as possible? I have to speak to the maestro immediately.
The maestro is very busy right now.
But I absolutely have to speak to him.
But I have to speak to him.
What's happening? What's going on? Oh, well, all right. Oh, what is it? I'm listening.
Maestro, he says, look, they're swamped with food. They can only stock fats. Something's got to be done.
And the other factories?
I'm afraid the situation is the same everywhere, Maestro.
We'll have to do what's necessary. Tell me, Supervisor, are you asleep? You're letting everybody come in. Don't you know our factories are overflowing? Of course he doesn't know. It's up to me to know. I'm the boss, after all. Listen to me. From this moment on, you're to stop all imports. Nothing more comes in, do you hear?
Yes, sir.
Send me a neuron messenger. Transmit this to the brain. If they want to keep making fat up there, it's their business. After all, the responsibility is theirs, you know. But I don't want them to come and complain afterwards that they were not warned.
No, thank you. Nothing more today. Sorry, we just can't take any more.
I say, please let me in. I've been told they need me inside there today. Psst, follow me.
Captain, look down there.
Huh?
There are viruses getting into that cell.
Put me through to Sector 4000. I want to speak to Lieutenant Jumbo Jr.
We've already spotted them, Captain. Don't worry, no problem. Charge!
Carry on. Over there. Oh.
Well, now, let's see how everything's coming along today, shall we? Huh? We need some sugar, yes, and some oxygen, of course, and water, some amino acids, all right, some proteins, lots of those naturally. They make up half our body substance. And I wonder why there's so much fat. That's odd. Ah, a pinch of salt. That's good. Well, all we have to do now is to hand over to the membrane manager and remind him that he must not forget...
Sector 4000, calling all cells of Sector 4000. Program the manufacture of collagen and send it out as soon as it's ready. Over and out.
Hey, you there at headquarters, can't that order wait? I'd far rather see to my own needs first,
This is an order from the entire system. The skin has just been injured. You know that orders for exports have priority.
Well, you heard what he said, didn't you? Cancel everything and start again. Chromosome room, an urgent order for collagen. Send RNA messengers with the production blueprints to the production centers. You got that? Then jump to it.
Hey, what's going on in here? Get cracking, you lazy chromosomes. Get to work at once.
Oh? Now what is it? Hey, what's happening? Wait. You must stop. Stop at once, you idiots. Oh! I said send the RNA messengers and you send the original DNA, the base of our genetic capital. Without that, how do you think we're going to reproduce ourselves?
Idiots! Well, you heard what he said. Will someone please explain how you could have been so stupid? Arrgh!
We're all perishable, but that genetic capital is what links us with eternity. Now just make me a duplicate, a messenger. And no mistakes this time, you imbeciles!
Over here. There you are.
And all that happens in one of our cells, in one of our 60,000 million cells.
The order's ready for dispatch. Send it.
The cell. Its size, 1/100th of a millimeter. Every day, 500,000 million of them vanish and are replaced at the rate of 50 million each second.